హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వీనెండ్ మీడియా ప్రేక్షకులకి స్వాగతం. డాక్టర్ అంటే కనిపించే దేవుడు అంటారు. మరి అటువంటి డాక్టర్కి సంబంధించి ఎన్నో కష్టాలు ఉంటాయి, నష్టాలు ఉంటాయి. మరి డాక్టర్ యొక్క మనసులోని మాటలు తెలుసుకోవాలని చెప్పి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్రయత్నం చేస్తుంది వీనెండ్ మీడియా. అయితే చిన్నపిల్లల్ని ఇవాళ కంటికి రెప్పలా కాపాడే డాక్టర్లు చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. అందులో సీనియర్ పీడియాట్రిషియన్ కన్సల్టెంట్ డాక్టర్ ప్రీతి శర్మ గారు ఇవాళ మనతో పాటు స్టూడియోలో ఉన్నారు. ముందుగా ఆవిడతో మాట్లాడే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. నమస్తే మేడం. ఎస్, ప్రీతి శర్మ గారు, డాక్టర్ చేయాలనుకుని చాలామంది చాలా కష్టంతో కూడింది అనుకుంటారు. ఇట్స్ ఏ చాలా టఫెస్ట్ టాస్క్. బట్ వై యు ఆర్ చూసింగ్ దన్ డాక్టర్?
See, being a doctor చాలా tough ఉంది definitely, but it is extremely satisfying also. When you treat a sick patient, parents come to you, especially being a pediatric doctor, chinna pillala doctor, they will come with so much expectation. Child will be crying, high fever, dengue, COVID, and then when you talk to them nicely, you reassure them, you treat the child nicely, that expression in their eyes, that is worth everything.
Okay.
So being a doctor, it is a lot of responsibility, and these days lot of people don't think also very highly of doctors unlike before. But still, I would still say 80% to 90% of people are still very appreciative of the work we do, and that satisfaction makes it worth it.
ఓకే, అసలు ప్రీతి శర్మ గారికి డాక్టర్ చేయాలన్న అంబిషన్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి వచ్చింది?
Exactly, I don't remember, but since I was a child, I wanted to be either Air Force pilot or doctor. And na family lo ekku engineers, MBA, so my parents all the time they were like, don't become doctor, too many years of studies, but I always wanted to become one. In fact, my father made me give both engineering and medical entrance exam, and I cleared engineering also, so till last minute there was pressure on me to join engineering, but I'm very happy I chose this profession. I don't think there is any parallel to doctor profession. Other professions also chala important undi, but in profession lo you are like dealing with life and death. You can give so much happiness to somebody who is sick. Of course present time lo koncham respect taggi undi doctors li, but hopefully we will build that up. And COVID, people have seen the type of sacrifices doctors have done.
Yes.
And now again they are realizing that doctors do work very hard to do their best. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail, but all doctors try their best to save a patient.
బట్ నార్మల్గా డాక్టర్ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళే డాక్టర్లు చేయడానికి ఎక్కువ ఇష్టపడుతుంటారు. కంప్లీట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఉన్న ఫ్యామిలీ,
Yes.
సో అట్లాగా రావడం అంటే చాలా కష్టం. ఎందుకంటే ఈవెన్ ఎవరు సపోర్ట్ చేయరు.
Yeah.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్
That is true. No guidance, no support, what to do, how to do after. See, MBBS MD easy undi.
Yes.
You join MBBS, tarvata you sit for MD entrance exam. But after that, how to go about things. But okay, I had very good and supportive seniors, and
మీకు గైడెన్స్ ఎవరు చేశారు? మీ డాక్టర్లకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత, ఎంబీబీఎస్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీకు గైడెన్స్ అనేది ఒక సపోర్ట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది.
Yes.
సో అటువంటి గైడెన్స్ అనేది ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి ఎవరైనా ఇచ్చారు?
ఫ్యామిలీ సపోర్ట్ లేదు, బట్ కాలేజ్లో ఎక్కువ సీనియర్ డాక్టర్స్ ఉంది, ప్రొఫెసర్స్ ఉంది. దే వర్ వెరీ నైస్, ఆల్వేస్ సపోర్టివ్, అండ్ బేసికలీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ హార్డ్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ కొలీగ్స్.
Okay.
సేమ్, ఐ థింక్ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ అ డాక్టర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్, హార్డ్ వర్క్, అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ సేమ్.
ఓకే, కమింగ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ,
Yes.
టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ.
నా ఫాదర్లో రైల్వేస్లో సీనియర్ ఆఫీసర్ ఉంది. సో మై ఫ్యామిలీ వాజ్ ఇన్ అ గవర్నమెంట్ సెటప్, కంప్లీట్లీ
Throughout
గవర్నమెంట్ హౌస్.
family.
Yes.
Okay.
So even my grandfather was a public prosecutor, government lawyer, that is. So I have come from a very government type of jobs, and where government was held in high regard, and simple family where studies were given lot of emphasis. But one thing I would like to say that my father was very particular about exercise also.
Okay.
So daily me and my brother, we were supposed to run and play, and it was compulsory. Even peak exam time, he
Okay.
used to make sure that we play for half an hour, 1 hour. And that is something I think really helped me. I never used to get stressed before exams. So these days also for children it's very important. Physical activity is going down. More
Okay.
of TV, mobile. So
Nowadays all the people are
yes,
same.
so that physical activity along with studies are
Okay.
equally important.
Okay, you are native, ma'am?
I'm from Delhi.
Okay,
Born
you are
and
completely
brought up.
shifted to Hyderabad.
Yeah, now I'm in Hyderabad since 6 years.
Okay.
So now bought a house also here. So now I'm a Hyderabadi. So
Okay,
I was
you
born
are-
in Delhi, studied in Mumbai, now in Hyderabad. So I say I'm a true Indian.
Okay, any difference between the Delhi and Hyderabad?
Many differences between Delhi
Which one is the best in Delhi and Hyderabad?
to live. I would say Hyderabad. One major reason, I have a small daughter, and for Delhi, safety issues, as we all know, lot of safety issues for girls.
Okay.
So even when I was growing up there, my parents would always be scared of sending me out, and Hyderabad is very safe.
Okay.
And
అంటే ఢిల్లీ సేఫ్ కాదు.
I haven't been to Delhi in many years now. ఎక్కువ years only because I did my MBBS MD from Grant Medical College, Mumbai. That is your Munna Bhai MBBS
Okay,
college. So ours is the college where that shooting happened. So that
Okay.
is one of the top medical colleges there. So I was there for MBBS MD.
Mhm.
Then after that, now I'm in Hyderabad. So I haven't been in Delhi properly for now many years. But Delhi safety issues only.
Okay.
Girls low, you can't be so
Exactly.
here. Now I come to my hospital at night also. Many times I come walking. My house is just 10 minutes from Kim's hospital.
Okay.
So night low emergency undi, I come walking, totally safe. In Delhi at night time I wouldn't think of going walking. So definitely difference is there. Plus Hyderabad, very nice culture. It is a good mix of educated people, and Hyderabad, the culture is very well upheld. So yeah, now I like
I think you like that in Hyderabad.
now
only.
I'm Hyderabadi.
Oh, okay, fine.
So,
Okay, coming to your family.
Yes.
Father is your inspiration or mother is your inspiration?
both are my inspiration.
No, single.
No, I would say my father. My father came from a very humble village. In fact, now also in his village, his example is given. He was the most educated person in his village, and from coming from
సో
that
అయితే
background.
మమ్మీ అయితే కాదు. మమ్మీ ఎప్పుడు స్ట్రిక్ట్గా ఉంటారు.
No, my mother also is a very hardworking lady, but my father, he rose from a very small background and went up to a very high position only on basis of his hard work and education.
ఓకే, సో యాక్చువల్గా డాక్టర్ అన్న తర్వాత పెద్దవాళ్ళకి వైద్యం చేయాలంటే చాలా ఈజీ, బట్ చిన్న పిల్లలు చాలా కష్టం. బికాజ్ ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడడం రాదు, వాళ్ళు ఫీవర్ వచ్చి చెప్తున్నారు. సో అలాంటి పీడియాట్రిషియన్ తీసుకోవడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటి?
Pediatrician lo main reason undi, pediatric patients are very nice. You know, you work with children and
But it is a very toughest task.
it is tough to deal with parents, not to deal with children.
Okay.
Children are so nice. Even now, see, the moment adults lo COVID undi, no, half psychologically, oh, I'm sick, I'm lying down. Children, they will be playing, running. Parents will be anxious. So children, only if they are sick, they will sit down, they will become dull. So
Okay.
children, they don't speak, but their body speaks beautifully, much better than adults, because
Okay.
there is nothing in their mind. Only if they are genuinely sick, they will lie down. Only if they have serious headache, they will say thalla noppi undi. Adults lo, you know, koncham mental block undi, oh headache undi, breathing difficulty ekku undi. So children, best patients are pediatric patients, and worst relatives are pediatric relatives, because parents lo ekku tension.
Yes, yes.
So talking to them, explaining to them, I understand their feelings, but that is very difficult to
Okay.
handle. And not just parents, grandparents will come, uncle, aunt will come, because chinna pillalo em problem, the
Chala.
whole family will get worried.
Yes.
But children themselves are best patients. Only the moment fever is little down, the child will be running. So best patients.
బట్ అంటే 3 years లోపల ఉన్న పిల్లలకి నిజంగా ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా కష్టం. సో మీ లైఫ్లో అంటే మీరు పీడియాట్రిషియన్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏమన్నా చాలా సీరియస్ కండిషన్స్ ఫేస్ చేశారా?
Yes.
ఏమన్నా ఫేస్ చేశారా ఇప్పటి వరకు?
Patients.
యు ఆర్ ద ఫేస్ ఎనీ సీరియస్ కండిషన్స్ ఇన్ బిలో టు 3 years?
Yes, multiple NICU newborn babies lo many times they require ventilator. Even chinna pillalo pneumonia undi, breathing difficulty undi, fits problem undi, multiple ekku problems undi. But most of them with type of treatment now available get better. But still sometimes even after our best efforts we can't do anything. But serious problems undi, but not so common.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా చాలా మంది పీడియాట్రిషియన్స్ అనగానే పిల్లలకి సంబంధించిన ప్రతిదీ చేస్తూ ఉంటారంటారు డాక్టర్లు. ఒకవేళ చిన్న తప్పు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ డాక్టర్ మీద చాలా వరకు ఫైర్ అవుతుంటారు. అలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా, ఫేస్ చేశారా?
Many times. Sometimes I feel rather than focusing on the child, we have to focus on the relatives.
Okay.
That is why I am very particular. I don't allow too many people to come with the child. And sometimes what we see you know, those relatives will do nothing. In fact, child will get more scared. So many people crowding, they will start crying. But parents will, you know, they will be creating more of a issue with around and troubling the doctor. That I feel is not good. Parents I understand, but these extra relatives, sometimes they make our work more difficult. I will not deny that. They when the time comes to help the baby, it is the parents only who will be taking care of the baby. Yes, it is difficult, and many times they will just start shouting, like supposing fever not going down, they will shout at the nurses, at the doctors. That behavior manchi ledu, and you know, then nurses get scared, then work affect ఉంది. So we agree, children, parents will be anxious, but too much anxiety, too much stress will affect the working of the doctors and nurses too.
ఓకే, మీరు పీడియాట్రిషియన్ గా స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ కెరియర్ లో నాకు ఈ రోజు ఎందుకు అని చెప్పి నేను బాధపడ్డారా? I mean, at least one day you feel that this is the worst day in my pediatrician life.
Many times we feel, especially like na training government hospital lo undi Mumbai lo, then Delhi also I was there for some time. So government hospitals lo ekku serious cases undi, and we try our best, but still sometimes we are not able to save the life. So that day you feel sad. Sometimes we also cry with the family. We feel so attached because children, no, chinna pilla, you feel that attachment. Even now, once or twice if we lose a case, yes, then that day you really feel. But you know, why we took this profession.
ఏ పేషెంట్ కైనా సరే చాలా బూస్టప్ ఇవ్వాలి. సో అటువంటి బూస్టప్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఏ పేషెంట్ కైనా ఇచ్చారు మీరు?
పేరెంట్స్ లో బేబీ ఎక్కువ సీరియస్ ఉంది, దట్ టైమ్ లో ఈవెన్ వీ కాంట్ సే మచ్ టు ద పేరెంట్స్, స్పెషలీ మదర్ చాలా డిస్టర్బ్డ్ ఉంది. బట్ వీ టెల్ దెమ్, యూ జస్ట్ ట్రస్ట్ us, have faith on God, and you go and relax.
Okay.
Many times children PICU, pediatric intensive care unit lo undi, or NICU lo, we tell parents to just go home and relax and let us do our work. And many times I've seen faith works beautifully. If some parents will try to, you know, doubt the doctors or doubt the treatment, then I find that, you know, even the treatment things actually start going wrong sometimes. But patients have faith on the doctors, have faith on God, and they just pray and they relax. And many even very quick serious children have come out. Of course, not every time we can help, but so in very serious condition it is very difficult to console the parents, and you can understand, you know, when child is critical on ventilator, we also can't give any guarantee. But most cases like dengue fever undi, pneumonia undi, fits problem, COVID, in that we reassure the parents nothing will happen. I always tell them, just have faith, it will take time, but we will make sure child is fine. So those conditions, even I am more confident in telling them, don't worry, I am there, I will take care of everything. But yes, sometimes, very rarely, some critical cases, even there is nothing much we can also tell them.
చాలా మంది పిల్లలు ఐ మీన్ డెలివర్డ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈవెన్ పిల్లల్ని బాక్స్ లో పెడుతుంటారు. సో ఎందుకు ఆ కండిషన్ లో పిల్లల్ని పెట్టాల్సి వస్తుంది?
Prematurity most common condition ఉంది. Babies times before time they are born, like 7 months low, 8 months low. So those babies we keep, we let them grow, we give some artificial fluids. If required, we give some artificial surfactant to help their lungs get matured. Sometimes babies delivery tarvata crying ledu, so we have to give outside oxygen support, so then we have to keep for observation. Rarely babies lo pneumonia undi, sepsis undi, but most places these days NICU's facilities are very good, manchi undi. Most of these children come out. Even 6.5, 7 months old babies these days, survival has improved significantly because of very good facilities. And Hyderabad, many hospitals have excellent facilities.
Okay. How satisfied are you regarding your work?
Out of 10, I would say 7.
7. Why you are remaining 3?
There is always a scope of improvement.
Okay.
We can always do more for our patients. So.
Okay. So ఇప్పటికి చాలా మందికి యంగ్ జనరేషన్ పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్. సో వాట్ యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ ద మెసేజ్ టు యంగ్ జనరేషన్స్?
Young generation parents, especially with first babies, they are having lot of issues because especially COVID low, parental support ledu, grandparents ledu. They are getting very anxious, they are getting very nervous. So I tell them, you just keep in touch with me, I will help you. COVID time lo many patients I helped over just WhatsApp. And in fact, to give correct knowledge, I realize right now correct knowledge is really missing. Parents Delhi lo undi, children here, first baby, no idea because of COVID, traveling also not there. So I started my Instagram channel also to give them the correct information, and I am very happy Veena
Yeah.
Media is also doing that because correct information is very difficult.
Yes.
Internet lo chaala ekku information, right, wrong, how will you
Exactly.
if they will Google child crying, they will get 1,000 things. That confuses them more. So correct information, I tell them, is very important. So if you have to Google from reliable sources or from doctor sources, not from any some mother writing some story that
ఈవెన్ చాలా మంది పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా ఇమ్మీడియట్లీగా వాళ్ళకి పిల్లలకి ప్రికాషన్స్ కావాలంటే దే ఆర్ సర్చింగ్ ఫర్ గూగుల్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ద రైట్ వే?
No, that is not the right way, and I agree because that's why I'm saying simple things like fever low sponging,
Yeah.
which we as children, our parents used to do that only.
Exactly.
Later give medicine. Now new parents don't even know how to do that because obviously no guidance. So then they will, so they should know whom to Google. Either you Google from a doctor source, a reliable doctor whom you know, or from some medical source website, or like you are starting
Yeah.
this medical YouTube channel. So that source is very important. But what happens is all these influencers, all these people with lot of subscribers, they are not doctors at all.
Exactly.
And they will give rubbish knowledge and people will follow them. One person's name I forgot, a lot of YouTube subscribers, and he gave some very nonsense advice in between on about pediatric COVID.
Okay.
So then our Indian Academy of Pediatrics issued a statement against it. So don't get influenced by wrong people. Whoever video you are seeing or because we can't stop people from Googling. That is not
Exactly.
happening.
Yeah.
Please see the credentials of the person. You see, is the person a doctor? Is the person MBBS, Ayurveda doctor, homeopathy doctor? What kind of doctor? If I start giving information about heart, I may not be 100% correct because I'm a pediatric specialist.
Yes.
Cardiologist will be the right person. So not even every doctor you should listen to
Yes,
about
okay.
everything. Of course, a doctor giving advice will still know. I will still know about heart problems.
Yeah.
But if you want in detail advice, you will find some cardiologist or go. You follow some channel which gives good medical
Yeah.
advice. So this is my most important thing. Google, but with precautions and by cross-checking the background of the person.
Okay.
you're Googling from.
Fine. What message can you give that young surgeons, young pediatricians?
Yeah, it is a difficult field, medical field. If you choose to become a doctor, you have to be ready to give your 100%. And it is a very false misconception that doctors make a lot of money. It takes a lot of time for doctors to start earning. So keep that in mind if you are joining with the perception of
But
money.
present situation is completely the earning process, right?
But it is a myth. Doctors
Exactly.
don't take long time to earn. It takes a very. So if people are coming in this profession for money, they should not come. That is something I would like to say. It is wrongly portrayed by media and society that doctors earn a lot. Yes, once some doctors become very senior and all, then they earn. But most of the doctors are very average earning. So if you are coming in this profession, you should come for the love of this profession and not for monetary reasons.
Okay.
That is my advice.
Okay, fine. In the pandemic situation, right now the third wave is completely affect to the children's, right?
Yes.
What about that?
So third wave they are saying will affect the children, but it does not mean that children will get more severely affected. Definitely, as more and more adults are getting vaccine, pillalo vaccinations ledu, so koncham they are more susceptible to get infection. But na experience lo last two waves lo, like second wave lo, I was seeing 10 to 15 children every day with COVID. In
Okay.
1 month, I admitted only 2. One was a 3-month baby with some breathing difficulty. 2 days lo I discharged the baby. One was a 1-year baby with some vomiting. 2 days again discharged. Simple. So it is not severe at all. Like
Okay.
I'm not saying that it is completely mild, but it is nothing to be worried or panicked about. 99% children with just home treatment are getting better.
సో ప్రికాషన్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది పిల్లలు తల్లిదండ్రులు ఉంటారు. సో ఈ పాండమిక్ సిచ్యుయేషన్లో కరోనా టైంలో పిల్లల తల్లిదండ్రులు ఎటువంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి?
Precautions, basic same precautions: hand washing, mask, social distance, and no indoor gatherings. Again, I am seeing weddings are happening. I have parents coming to me, we are going for wedding. Indoor gatherings are very risky. Outdoor gatherings lo risk చాలా తగ్గి ఉంది. సో అవుట్డోర్ స్పేస్ లో బికాస్ ద వైరస్ కీప్స్ గెటింగ్ సర్క్యులేటెడ్ అండ్ చిన్న పిల్లలు less than 2 years లో if they can't wear mask at least make them wear face shield. Face shield they are more comfortable in wearing, so something you make them wear, and give good diet. Nothing to worry, no need to give some kada and all those things. Children will not have, they will start vomiting. Good manchi diet, one fruit, one
Okay.
vegetable, one good quality protein. You give them pappu or egg or dal or something, you know, and koncham dry fruits, nuts you give, milk 2 glass. That's it. Good diet if they are taking, immunity will be good. Let them play outdoors. Outdoor play chala important in the pandemic lo children are inside becoming fat, so
Okay.
much obesity. That also puts their immunity down.
Okay.
So outdoor play also important, and don't panic. But yes, be careful. If any symptoms, fever, cough, cold, you can consult pediatricians. These days, pediatricians available over online consultation also. So if you are worried to come to hospital, take one online consultation.
ఓకే, ఒకవేళ ప్రీతి శర్మ గారు డాక్టర్ కాకపోతే ఏమవుతారు?
I,
No, if in case Preeti Sharma is not in doctor, so which profession you are selected?
I would have liked to become an Air Force pilot, but
Okay.
I wanted to become Air Force pilot. But for that, my mother
Okay.
strictly put her foot down. That no.
It's a rapid fire round. Okay, who is the best actor in your Tollywood or anywood?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan is
I'm
your
a big Shah Rukh Khan
Okay,
fan.
who is the best actress?
Sridevi.
Sridevi. Which movie you are interested?
Favorite movie?
Yes.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
It's the all-time favorite you
Yes.
right now also.
Yes.
సో ఫైనల్లీ ఇఫ్ మీరు గనక ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా ఒక స్టార్ హీరోతో అంటే మూవీ చేయాలనుకుంటే చూడాలనుకుంటే వన్ డే
Yes.
ఏ హీరోతో చూస్తారు మూవీ?
Shah Rukh Khan.
సో ఆల్రెడీ షారుఖ్ ఖాన్ చెప్పారు అంటే
So,
So-
which actor I
హా,
want
సో మూవీ చూడాలనుకుంటే సో ఎవరితో?
actor or actress?
ఎనీథింగ్,
No.
మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ యాక్టర్.
Uh, I really like Shah Rukh Khan only.
No, not only షారుఖ్ ఖాన్, సమ్ అదర్ పర్సన్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ రైట్.
I can't think of anybody else besides Manoj Bajpayee is a very good actor.
ఓకే, సో మై నేమ్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో మనోజ్. సో మనోజ్ బాజ్పేయి.
Very good actor. Excellent actor.
Okay, so finally, in the pandemic situations, and tell me about in our media people. So being in media.
Media people, again, as a media is also a job which requires a lot of responsibility, and definitely in pandemic they should try to provide the right source to people rather than wrong sources. And in between, I think especially in the second wave, I shouldn't say this, but I feel media was responsible for creating a lot of panic, showing dead bodies being burnt and all. You can tell that. Why do you have to show that? I know of so many people who developed anxiety problems, stress problems. You know, they would see those news in loop because at home. So media reporting should be responsible. You
Yes.
tell about the problem, but don't show those graphic pictures. Don't scare people too much. Give the
Exactly.
facts. So I am very happy that you have come up with this health channel, and as I said, the availability of good and correct health information is very important, and somebody is putting all doctors together, so very easy. People can just subscribe to your channel and they'll keep getting all regular
Exactly.
information updates regularly.
Yes, anyways, thank you so much Preeti Sharma garu.
Thank you.
ఎందుకంటే ఇంతలాంటి బిజీ టైంలో చాలా పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్ పిల్లలందరినీ చూస్తూ కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ మెసేజెస్ అండ్ చాలా వరకు పిల్లల తల్లిదండ్రులు పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఏ విధంగా ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలని చాలా చక్కగా చెప్పారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. రైట్ గైస్, చూశారు కదా ఇవాళ డాక్టర్ ప్రీతి శర్మ గారు సీనియర్ పీడియాట్రిక్ కన్సల్టెంట్ చాలా చక్కగా చెప్పారు. సో థర్డ్ వేవ్లో కూడా ఒకవేళ ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ పిల్లలు ఇటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఉంటే ఎటువంటి ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి అనేది కూడా చెప్పారు. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనమందరం పాటిస్తే డాక్టర్లని దేవుళ్ళుగా ఇప్పటికైనా సరే అందరూ కొలుస్తున్నారు. ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా డాక్టర్కి ఇవ్వాల్సిన రెస్పెక్ట్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇస్తూనుంటే డాక్టర్స్ మనందరి దృష్టిలో కూడా ఎప్పుడు పై పొజిషన్లో ఉంటారు. ఇది ఇవాళ మనలో మాటల్లో మనతో పాటు డాక్టర్ ప్రీతి శర్మ గారు సీనియర్ పీడియాట్రిక్ కన్సల్టెంట్ చెప్పినటువంటి మాటలు. మరి ఒక డాక్టర్తో మళ్ళీ వారం కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు చూస్తానండి V9 మీడియా.
Please subscribe to the channel for correct information about healthcare. Thank you.